Christine Ombaka koro kwayo piny owacho mondo med omenda mar NGAAF mondo okony jod bura mag kaunti tiyo tijegi e yo makare. Kaluwore kod Ombaka, omenda magiyudo tin moloyo mok nyal konyo chenro mag basari kaachiel koda chenro mag kor gwenge kaka dwarore. Ombaka ne loso gi jofwambo bang' tayo chenro mar pok mar omenda ne jopuonjre kod omenda mar dongruok ne grube saga e od bura ma Ugenya. Komachielo coordinator mar omenda mag NGAAF e kaunti no Nancy Okademi ne olero ni gitiyo kod omenda maromo milion 15.8 e chenro mag basari kod sir ne grube mopogore opogore.
I just want to appeal again, and I've said it before, and I will not stop saying it, that we still need more funds because the needs of the public is very, very high. People are very, very poor. They don't have blankets. So when they received the blankets from us, they were so thankful that sometimes I was in tears because they have never had blankets in their lives. The students who received bursaries were so delighted. They have never received 10,000 for bursary. Sometimes they just receive maybe 3,000 from other donors or much less. But we give the students 10,000 for their education. I'm aware, so much aware, that there are no jobs for young people. There are no jobs for them. So the only way to empower young people is to encourage them to do biashara, to do business. And so the fund that we give, the Women Economic Enterprise Fund, is for the table banking activities, for income generating activities. A lot of them are doing poultry, a number of them are doing all sorts of income generating activities. And it's very, very impressive to see how young people struggle to make a living.
As a NGAAF, we will continue working together with the Women Rep. Together we will work towards improving the lives of Siaya County beneficiaries and Siaya County people for the welfare of the society, and also to make sure that the women in Siaya County have improved life through Mheshimiwa Dr. Christine Ombaka.